For this activity, I want you to go to the Pathway Supply shelf and find these cards. Some of the cards will have multiplication expressions on them. For example, I see 5 times 3 and I see 2 times 6. Some of the cards will have pictures on them. This one has some butterflies and this one has some lemons. And the cards with the multiplication expression on them are numbered, and the cards with the pictures have alphabet letters. So go find those cards and come back to me and let's talk about this activity. When you get this baggie of cards, they're going to be all mixed up. They will not be in order. It's going to be your job to match up the multiplication expression to the picture. For example, in front of us, I have 5 times 3. That is the multiplication expression, 5 times 3. And we need to find the picture that shows 5 times 3. That shows 5 groups with 3 in each group. Well, we can see that the card is right next to me because I don't have them all jumbled up like you do. This is a freebie for you. And I can see that on this card, on A, that there are 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in each group there are 3 butterflies. So this card represents 5 times 3. This card down below, we've got 2 times 6. Well, the picture representation of this is 2 groups with 6 lemons in each group. So you're going to go through each card and read the multiplication expression and match it up with the picture representation. Now, if there aren't any cards on the supply shelf and you see somebody working on this, you can sit down and work on it with them. Don't do it for them, but work together as a team to try to find the matching pieces. But that's only if there are no more cards. This is not a chance for you to go find a friend and have fun together. All right? So good luck with this. Have fun.